In the last video we dealt with drilling holes in stones using hollow core drills and a drill press. This time what we're going to do is enlarge the hole in a bead using, still using a diamond drill, but this time a twist drill. The core drills are good for drilling holes from scratch, but the twist drills are just as good if you're just enlarging a hole. Once you enlarge the hole, it'll take a larger cord or wire. And then we're going to clean the edge of the hole up with a diamond burr so that to take the sharp edges off it. This is the bead that we're going to re-drill, and the diamond plated twist drill that we're going to do the job with. You can see that it currently doesn't go through that hole. After we re-drill it, we're going to clean up the edges of the hole with this diamond burr. That will nicely chamfer that hole so that it will take off any sharp edge. There were a couple of things we didn't cover in too much detail in the previous video. Firstly, the arm of the drill press. We never use it because it exerts a massive amount of pressure on the stone and on the diamond, and you'll quickly wear the diamond out by using the arm to lower it through the stone. Secondly, the speed. It's running at its lowest speed. It's just about 520 RPM. It's very slow compared to, say, a Dremel that's running at about 3000 RPM. Lastly, always make sure when you're working with any machinery and stone that you wear eye protection. Nothing worse than losing an eye from an errant piece of stone. Okay, we're going to turn it on. First the water. Spinning. Hold the bead firmly. It's already been drilled, so it's a matter of following the hole. Similar to drilling from scratch, keep getting water down into that hole. And we'll just keep drilling until we're most of the way through. Probably about halfway now. We'll turn it over, come back the other way. This is much easier than drilling a hole from scratch because you're already following the original hole that acts as a pilot to the drill bit. So we'll find that any second now this should meet up with the original hole. There it goes. It's through. Nice neat hole. And in the next section we'll tidy up and bevel the edges of our hole. We've replaced the diamond drill with the burr. Start the machine. Bring the bead up to the hole. You don't need to do very much. It's just to take that sharp edge, move it around a little bit if you like, and really that's about it. That's going to have rounded that hole off. And a little bit while you do it if you like. And there you have the hole drilled larger and with a nicely beveled edge.